Good morning, praise the Lord. Today we are going to learn page number 63 in your environmental studies book. So in the last class we learnt about traffic signal light, like what does each light indicate. Now today we are going to learn about the safety rules, the rules that you're supposed to follow when you are on the road. So this is given in detail in page number 63. Let's learn them right now. So here let's learn about some traffic rules that we have to follow while we are on the road. The first one is you should always wear a seat belt while you're traveling in a car. Not just the person who drives the car, even the one who's sitting adjacent. And if there are belts on the back seater for the back seaters as well, they should wear a seat belt for safety. Now the next rule is always wear a helmet while you're traveling by a two-wheeler vehicle, which will protect your head. Now you should never play on the roads because the vehicles will be passing by. There are chances that you will meet with an accident if you play on the road. Now you should always wait in a queue at the bus stop. Do not rush or do not crowd the bus stop. Always wait in a queue so that when the bus comes you can board it in a line. So these are the few safety rules that you have to keep in mind while you are on the road, which will be very helpful for others and also for the people traveling on the road. In your Fitzroy story reader, we are going to read the third story today. Fitzroy reader book, the third story, which is the Mud Hut. It is starting from page number 33. So let's read this story right now. So this is the mud hut, the mud hut. So the letters we know are a, and The words we know are l, a, t, s. Let's w, e, l, will, f, l, a, g, flag, f, e, g, fig, b, e, g, big, d, g, l, a, d, glad, t, e, g, tug, t, a, p, s, taps, off, n, o, t, not, n, t, s, nuts. So, as in b, g, bug, as in bug. And the special words are the and off. So let's go to the story. Here, d, a, d, dad, k, a, n, can, d, e, g, dig. Dad can dig. Mum, k, a, n, can, d, e, g, dig. Mum can dig. So dad and mum, dad can dig, mum can dig. Then here we have mum, and d, a, d, dad, d, e, g, dig, in, the, d, mud. Mum and dad dig in the mud. Egg, make, d, e, g, s, digs, the, d, mud, s, a, Sam, d, e, g, s, digs, the, d, mud. So make digs the mud. This is make. Sam digs the mud. So here we have a, g, make, and s, a, Sam, k, a, can, d, e, g, dig, a, l, o, t, lot, off, d, mud. Make and Sam, since they are together, so we use the word and, can dig a lot of mud. mum, and d d dad, and Sam, and meg, make, dig, dig, up, lot, lot, off, mud, mum and dad, Sam and Meg dig up a lot of mud. Dig, 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 dig. Big, big, lot, lot, of, mud, a big lot of mud. Mum, and dad, lift, up, mud. Mum and dad lift up the mud. Sam, and egg, make, dump the mud. Sam and make dump the mud. Is, eat, it, mud, hut, ate, yet. Is it a mud hut yet? Is, yes. Eat, it is a mud. I'm sorry, it's hut. Yes, it is a mud hut. Eat, it is a snug, mud, hut. It is a snug mud hut. Dad, and mum, and egg, make, and Sam, eat, sit, eaten, the snug, mud, hut. Dad and mum, and make and Sam sit in the snug mud hut. So, this is the end of the story. What the words we've used in this story is mud, and up, milk, can, lift, dump, ate, yet, dig, dig, snug, hut, lot. So these are the words that we've used. And what are some new words we've learned here? It is bump, sad, left. These are some of the new words that we have learned for today. This is end of the story. So we have some exercises related to this story in your Fitzroy Word Skills books. In your Fitzroy Word Skills book, we are at page number 24. So this part of it is related to the story number 3. So let's do this composition here. We have to see the picture, read the words, think of the missing words and write them in. Here I have Sam, left, the, dash, in the hut. If you see, they left the cat in the hut. So you write k a t, cat. Meg, make, g o t, got, on, t o p, top, of the dash. So if you see here, make got on top of the hut. So that you write it here as hut. Similarly, you have to look at the picture here and fill up the missing letters. Read it carefully and see what are the letters that you have to fill for both these sentences, which is going to be your homework. Now, when you go to page number 26, we have comprehension of story 3x. We have certain fill in the blanks that we have to fill and question and answer. So here it says the fill in the blanks. Egg, make, and Sam, cat, dig, lot, off. Make and Sam can dig a lot of dash. So the story, they dug a lot of mud. So that's mud. Here, the second one, it says Sam, and egg, make, dash, the mud. Sam and Meg dash the mud. The starting of the word, missing word is d. So that is dump. Dump. Then the third one, eat. It is a snug, mud, dash. So that it is a snug mud hut. So that's hut. Then we have question and answer here. The first question, it says, what did mom and dad dig in? So mom and dad dig in. Mom and dad dig in the mud. They dig up the mud. So you write the mud. How much mud did mom and dad and Meg and Sam dig? So they dug up a lot of mud. So mom and dad, Meg and Sam dig a lot of mud. So we write lot, of, mud. Who lifted up the mud? So in the story, if you remember, we have to recollect and see who lifted the mud. Yes, it was mum and dad. So we write here mum and dad. Who dumped the mud? So who dumped the mud? Sam and Meg. So we write Sam and Meg. Meg. What did mom and dad and Meg and Sam make? So what did they make in the mud? Mom and dad, Meg and Sam, they made a snug mud hut. So we write it here. Snug. Mud. Hut. What did mom and dad and Meg and Sam do at the end of the story? Mom and dad, Meg and Sam sit in the snug mud hut at the end of the story. So we write sit in the. So that's sit in the snug Mud, hut. So this is end of this page. Now when you come to page number 27, you have a drawing from the story. So in the first box, you have to draw lots of mud. The second box, you have to draw the mud hut. In the third box, you have to draw Sam and Meg sit. In the fourth one, you have to draw Mom and Dad sit. So this part of it is going to be your homework. So this is end of exercise for the story 3. Parents, while your children are learning about the safety rules while they are on road, or while they are able to read the third story from Fitzroy Story Readers today that we read, the Mud Hut story, and when they are doing the activities in Fitzroy Word Skills book, that is the composition, comprehension, or even the drawing part of the story, kindly take a video and send it to the school WhatsApp number. Homework will also be shared to your number. Thank you.